Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Ortiz. That's my main man Travis. Oh, I pointed the wrong way. And we are your favorite LOs. Today we're going to be talking about what it is to be a mortgage broker and how it can benefit you. So grab a pen and a piece of paper and your favorite beverage, and we'll be right back to get started on breaking down what is a mortgage broker. All right, everybody, we are back and we are going to go over exactly what it is to be a mortgage broker and how it can benefit you. Travis, say what's up to the people.
What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's doing great on this beautiful day.
Awesome, awesome. So, Travis, kind of fill the people in. What is exactly a mortgage broker and what do mortgage brokers do for those that are looking to buy a home?
That's fantastic. I love talking about what we do on a day-to-day basis. Essentially, as a mortgage broker, what we are is a personal shopping service. It's absolutely important that you're gathering as much information and as much options as possible when you're purchasing a home or when you're considering a refinance. Essentially, a broker allows you to do that under one roof.
Okay, okay. So, when it comes to like shopping, like you brought up multiple lenders. How is that actually a benefit to the clients that decide to work with us on the mortgage broker side?
Absolutely. So what we typically will do, Ortez and I work with, we're onboarded with almost 30 different lenders. Obviously, you're not writing a loan with every single one of those lenders every single month, but it does create options for your buyers, for your refinancers, whatever might be the case. What we're able to do is we're able to match our borrowers with the strong suits of the lenders. By doing that, not only are we going to create a winning in actual money savings, but most oftentimes process. One of the most underrated pieces, everyone knows that cost is important, but what type of service are these lenders offering you? In the retail channels, oftentimes you're just another number. Working with a broker who has connections at these different lenders, oftentimes we broker with some of the lenders that you see on the commercials every single day. Basically, we're a matchmaking service. Once we have a client, we work with the client based on those goals. Maybe your goal is as a first time home buyer, you're trying to minimize your out of pocket expenses. We have certain lenders that might fit better in that scenario than others. Some of our more seasoned purchasers, they're looking at rate savings over time. And we're going to have some options for you there. But the most important piece for you is that we're essentially able to make 30 calls and look at 90 programs and then present them to you in a clean bundle of maybe two or three of the best options. Saves you a ton of time and a ton of work.
No, no, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. I like that. So, but I also want to touch base on the personal side of it. And I really do think that that's the most important part when it comes to working with a mortgage broker, because 9 times out of 10, we're going to have the local experience and expertise in the markets that we're in. Me personally, I'm down here in North Carolina, so I'm very versed in North and South Carolina, former resident of Michigan. So we know exactly what it is that we're dealing with in terms of different nuances with each of those states. I could probably speak for Travis in the fact that he's very versed in Michigan, Ohio, and Florida, as he has done multiple deals in that regard. So working with a mortgage broker gives you that local feel to whereas they know what they're talking about, they know how to inform you and guide you in the process, and then also we're in the process every step of the way. So instead of with most retail lenders where you have one person that you talk to and then you may get passed off to another person, a mortgage broker on the flip side is going to be with you every step of the way and walking you through the process from application all the way to the closing table. So, if Travis, if I missed anything in that regards, please chime in. But I think I kind of touched base on everything with that part.
Okay, great rundown of what exactly we do. And one of the benefits of the local aspect is those relationships that are very important for buyers. Obviously, if you're refinancing a property, there's no competition, so to speak. We're not dealing with realtors, we're not dealing with sellers. But in that buying market, it is very important the name and the logo that appears on your pre approval letter. Have you done the right things in the past to earn that benefit for that client? If you're working with a retail lender, oftentimes their reputation isn't the best when it comes to those local relationships with those realtors. The people that we're hoping are going to present your offer in the best light to their sellers. So keep in mind that those relationships, those local relationships, and being able to reach out and touch someone is very important if you're a home buyer, especially.
No, no, that's wonderful, wonderful. So, if I'm not mistaken, I think that kind of surmises what it is that we do as mortgage brokers. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children over the age of 18, if this is something that you found to be informative and it's something that is of value to you, go ahead, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, as well as tap that bell notification for every time we do upload new content in regards to the mortgage industry. But with that said, my name is Ortez, and this is
Travis,
and we are your favorite LOs. Until next time, folks, have a great day.